What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pass the Topstep combine in 2 days. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, let's say you just signed up for the Topstep combine and you're thinking, how do you pass this thing in just 2 days? So let's go ahead and discuss a few things. So first is you want to hit the target, but don't break the rules here. Now your first goal here is simple. Hit the profit target for your account size. But here's the deal. You have to do it clean, no rule violation, and the targets depends on the size of the account you choose. Now for a 50k account, you need to make around $3,000. Now for a 100k account, your target is going to be around a $6,000. Now for a 150k, it's around $9,000 here. Now, sounds doable, right? But don't let that confidence make you reckless, because there are a few strict rules that can knock you out even if you're killing it. Now, in this case, what are the things that you can actually do? So first is for daily loss limit. Now, you can't lose more than a set of amount in one day. Now, for example, on a 50k account, that's around $1,000 if you do, you're done. Now, you also have the max drawdown and trailing loss. Now, your account balance can't drop below a certain level that trails behind your highest profit point. So you can't make a 2,000 and then give back a 1.5k. That's the red flag for them. Now, also for consistency. Now, this one surprised a lot of people, but you can't make more than 50% of your total profit target in a single day. So if your target is 6,000, the most you can make is in one day is going to be around $2,999. So this rule exists to make sure you're not just lucky on one big trade. And also, you want to hold rule here. Now, some accounts don't let you hold trades overnight or through big news events, so just double check what your account allows you. Don't break this by accident. Now, in this case, what about the 2-day pass idea here? Now, even if you do hit your target in 2 days, Topstep will still want to see 5 total trading days, but in this case, there's some strategy that you could do here. Now, hit your target fast, ideally over like 2 solid trading days, and then for the next 3 days, just show up, trade small, stay safe, and don't do anything that risks your account. Now, it's like finishing a race early, but walking the last few laps here so you can officially cross the finish line. And finally, after your pass, once you've hit your target and follow all the rules here, you go into the step 2 of the combine. This is where you prove you can manage risk and stay consistent again, but don't have the hit a new profit target here. Now, after that, you move into a funded account. This is where real payouts actually start. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.